Hello everyone, I am Shivanesh Reddy. In this video, I am going to give a brief introduction about EC2 instance. EC2 instance stands for Elastic Cloud Compute. As it has two C's, it got the name as EC2. Before learning about EC2, we will learn about why it was created at the first place. Imagine you are a developer and you created an application in your local computer. You can access your application using your local computer, but other people want to use your application. Then your computer should be connected to internet. It should be on to 24/7 and it should have a public IP address. Even if it has a public IP address, it may not serve huge requests due to the limited computing power of your device. To solve all this, people started using servers. Servers solve all these problems, but to maintain the servers, you need a lot of hardware and need lot of maintenance. If you want to upscale also, you need to buy more hardware. AWS EC2 solves all these problems. And to understand this in a better way, we will use an example. Uh, Owning a server is like owning a house. To own a house, you need to pay some amount, upfront amount, and you need to take care of the repairs, maintenance, and everything. And for renting the house, you just need to pay the rent amount and enter into the house and use the house. EC2 is same like renting a house. You just need to pay based on your usage and use the service. It's like a magical computer. Let's discuss some of the concepts of EC2. Instance is a virtual server which has a operating system running on it like Linux, Ubuntu or Windows, and it has a RAM, CPU, storage, same like our local computer. And next up the instance. Some applications need high computing power and some need low computing. Based on our usage, we will select our instance type by creating the EC2 instance. The micro is the general purpose one and the large is the high computing one. The elastic IP address. Elastic IP address is the static IP address which will be used for accessing the EC2 instance of the application running on it via internet. We have rented a house, but if you want to use it, you have to access it. So to access the EC2 instance, we use secure share protocol. Uh, we can access the EC2 instance via terminal in our router computer and download the required packages and the port that need to be run on the instance. And while creating the EC2 instance, we have to create a key value pair called .pem file, which will be further used while connecting to the EC2 instance. It's same like a key for a house, and we need to keep it secure. And next comes the features of EC2 instance. The first one is scalability. Imagine some of your friends came from your hometown. We need to accommodate them, right? You have to rent more houses, more rooms. In the same way, the number of requests coming to your application have increased slightly. Then you have to upscale your application. EC2 offers both upscaling and downscaling based on your requirement. And next one comes to the pay as you go service. Pay as you go service is nothing but you just need to pay based on your usage of the service and nothing much. And the next comes the flexibility. You created application and because of some reason you have to shut down it. If you own a server, then you have to sell it and there will be some loss. But if you use an EC2 instance, then you just have to delete the instance. That's it. Global and high availability. EC2 runs on different availability zones and global zones. If one of the zone fails, then it will shift to another available zone or region and ensure that there is zero downtime for your application, which is very important for any application. And next comes to the security groups. Security groups are same like a firewall to our EC2 instance. It will allow the traffic based on the port IP address and the protocol that you are using. It's for example, it's like a bouncer in front of a club. It allows who can enter and who can leave the club. In the same way, it allows who can which traffic to enter the EC2 and which traffic to leave the EC2. For example, we use SSH protocol to access the EC2, right? We will open the port number 22 in inbound rules to access it. And for front-end application, we allow port number 80 for HTTP and 443 for HTTPS. And for outbound rules, by default, it is open for everything, but it is recommended to restrict the security rules based on our requirement. I think I have covered the EC2 instance topic and I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching.